Okay, this last video is going to be about slides 8 and 9. They're just a little different because I'm throwing a quadratic graph at you and I'm telling you to graph a line on top of it. The process is still the same. I'm giving you an equation. You're going to graph it. You're just putting it over another graph. So, for example, here's the equation I'm giving you. Y equals 2x plus 1. Let's graph it. The positive 1 is our y-intercept. So that's going to be our first point on the y-axis. My slope is not a fraction, so we're going to make it into a fraction by putting it over 1. And now I have my rise over run, so it's going to be 2 over 1. So I'm going to be going up 2 over 1. All I'm looking for, again, is for my solution, where these two graphs cross. So I already have one graph in green. I'm looking for where the black crosses it. And I'm just going up 2 over 1 as I'm talking. But the thing is, you're going to see in just a second that there's actually going to be two solutions because they cross at two different places. Right here is my first one where the black is on top of the green. And that's the point 1, 3. So that's my first solution. And then it crosses again up here, again, black over green. And that point is going to be 6, 13. Because again, my X always goes first and then my Y. So I'm just showing you how you could have two solutions. If it crosses twice, you have two solutions. But the process is still the same. Lastly, slide 9. This is, again, a little different. I'm giving you the same graph and I'm asking you to graph on top of it. But look at the line I'm giving you. I'm giving you y equals 7, right? It doesn't look like my other equations where it has a slope and a y-intercept. It just has one number. How you graph this, y equals 7, all this is saying is find 7 on the y-axis, so right there, and then just put a line straight through it. So if I were to make these, it actually wouldn't go up or down anything. It wouldn't do any kind of slope. It's just a line straight through 7 on the y-axis. But even if I make that straight line across, it still has two solutions because it crosses twice. So my first solution was my first point, and that point is 0, 7. And then my second solution was that last point, right, where it crosses again, and that is 5, 7. And notice that your y value for both is 7 because it never left 7. It stayed on 7 the whole time. So you're going to get a problem like this in the checkpoint. Just make a line straight across that number. Good luck.